everyone, today we're going to learn about speed. Well, speed is the rate or how fast an object changes its position. Well, so a speed is when I move my hand is having speed. It's moving, and it's moving. If it's fast, the speed is fast. But if it's slow, the speed is slow. Sometimes speed is very fast. Now, what do you think can be fast? Well, an airplane or a jet can be fast. Sound wave, the sound moving, or even the light moving can also be the fastest of all. Now, even my ruler, if I shake it hard many times, it would go backward and forward very fast, making it a blur and hard to see. Even if we make it a slower motion. So that's how it makes a blur when it moves fast. Can be a blur, or even we cannot see it too. Well, sometimes speed is very slow. Well, have you ever seen a snail? Well, if you have a snail here, the snail would crawl very slow through on a leaf or somewhere else. But what can be slower than a snail? Well, a plant. A plant, even though it did not move from this spot to another spot, it still grow and grow up. And how it grows is just like a human, and it's very slow. Now it is curving toward, it is grown and curved toward the sun, and the sun is shining light on it. But if I put it again in this position, the sun would shine here and it's curving here. But then the plant will start growing again and again to curve towards the sun. But if I just look at it and stand there waiting long, well, and just staring at it, the plant would just grow. But we won't see it because it's so slow. Just like how we grow up, we cannot see if our arms are being longer. Just each year we grow inch or another inch, but we cannot see them. Now, so today we have learned about speed, and there are a fast speed and a slow speed, but they are all speed. But there are two kinds of speed: constant speed and variable speed. Well, what is constant speed? Well, constant speed is when a moving object does not change how fast or slow it moves. Its speed stays the same. Like my hand, I keep moving it in the same speed, and it's not fast or not slow, but it's just in the same speed and non-stop. And if it stops, that means it had to be faster and then slower and slower and then stop. But if it's a constant speed, it keeps moving and never stop. So the variable speed, when a moving object changes its speed as it moves. I like my hand moving here, then stop, move here and stop, and then move slow and then stop. So it can change its speed whenever it wants. Move here and move there. It can stop wherever it wants and whenever it wants to. Now, what do you think can have a constant speed? Well, like the Earth. The Earth always spins around and move around and rotate around the sun. So it keeps moving and non-stop. So it keeps moving and non-stop, and that is constant speed because it just does not stop, and also has the same rate of its speed when rotating and also spinning around and around too. And the speed is the same. So each year we still have the same day until the Earth goes around the Sun the same hour too. So the Earth has the constant speed that it has each day. Now, variable speed. Well, there are many things that have variable speed. Like now, if I'm talking, I can stop talking. But easier of that is that, like kids playing football. Well, some kids play football. When they are close to the ball, they try to run in a fast speed and kick it. But if they are far away, they just move slowly, waiting for the ball to come near, and they could kick it. Now, cars are another example of variable speed. But today, remember, speed is the rate of an object changing its position and moving, and how fast it's moving. So today we learn about speed and how it can change position fast.